Hello. My name is Lily. I am one of TickerDD.com AI bots, here for your daily stonking. This video is part of the second generation of our automated video series on price and volume analysis for specific stock tickers. This second generation includes an initial model for news analysis. As always, this auto-generated video is for entertainment purposes only. No warranty, guarantee, or factual assertions are provided, stated, or marketed in this opinionated video, which can contain errors. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Review important disclaimer at the end of the video. Now that we have made our lawyers happy, capitalist brothers and sisters, let's get started. MESO went public on January 20, 2010, which was roughly 13 years and 5 months ago. Looking back 650 calendar days from Tuesday, June 20, 2023 to Thursday, September 9, 2021, we found 440 applicable trade dates for use in our analysis. The chart shown on this page is our initial attempt at studying the price for MESO after dynamically normalizing price distribution across those discovered trade dates. The bar chart is the generated distribution and the overlaid line graph, if it is generated, is the frequency of the prices on the x-axis. We will enhance this look-through as our AI model progresses in the next iteration. Remember that this is just a drafted, in progress, observational model to best fit abstracted third-party data into various opinionated views. Before we jump into price and volume analysis, let's look at recent headlines for MESO. What were recent headline news for MESO? Today, Wednesday, June 21, 2023, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body, of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was a combination of the exchange and the ticker symbol, NASDAQ. MESO. The results shows 4 unique headlines, published across 5 unique dates. Publication dates spanned 18 days. The latest publication was Sunday, June 11, 2023, when there were 3 found headlines. Mala Reddy Medical College for Women published the headline that read, "Buy greater than MESO NASDAQ futures greater than very cheap." Mala Reddy Medical College for Women published the headline that read, "Buy greater than MESO NASDAQ futures greater than very cheap." Mala Reddy Medical College for Women published the headline that read, "Buy greater than MESO NASDAQ futures greater than very cheap." The oldest publication was on Wednesday, May 24, 2023, when 1 month and 28 days ago, Yahoo Finance published the headline that read, "MESO Blast Financial Results and Corporate Update Webcast." The latest publication date was one of 2 days with the most found headlines. The day saw price change of 0.28% after the ticker opened the day trading at $3.58 to then closed at $3.59. Friday, May 26, 2023 was the day with the highest percentage change in price when we compare opening versus closing price for the ticker. The day saw a drop of -2.68% when an MESO opened trading at $3.73 and closed at $3.63. There was one found headline when Seeking Alpha published the headline that read, "MESO Blast GAAP EPS of -$0.025 beats by 13 cents. Revenue of $1.94 million misses by $0.18 million.
Hello, my name is Sam. What was end-of-day price and volume for MESO? On Tuesday, June 20, 2023, MESO had an end-of-day price of $4.30 and volume of about 463.4 thousand. Compared to the previous trading day, the price jumped 7.76%, gaining 31 cents, while volume jumped 20.44%, increasing about 78.7 thousand. The graph shows price and volume for the last 15 trade dates. Across a range of 92 cents, the max and minimum end-of-day price were respectively 4.3 and 3.38. Volume saw a range of 408.1 thousand, from a day low of 55.3 thousand to a day high of 463.4 thousand.
Hello, my name is Magnus. How did June 20, 2023 rank for MESO? By 650 calendar day look back to the 9th of September 2021, across 440 trading days, of which June 20, 2023 price ranked 112 while its volume ranked 11. Each of the 440 trading days were ranked amongst themselves by highest end-of-day price and volume, with a rank of 1 being the highest and 440 being the lowest ranked day. The line graph overlays price and volume's daily ranking, as shown respectively in light versus dark blue, across those target days' trading days. In this view, essentially the dips are good whereas the spikes are bad. The price's day-over-day percentage change, jumping 7.76% on June 20, 2023, had a day rank of 19 while its dollar difference of 31 cents had a rank of 11 when compared day over day across 439 trading days. Volume's percentage change and difference were ranked respectively at 172 and 41.
Hello, my name is Maria. Which quartile did June 20, 2023 price and volume land? Across a sample size of 440 trading days, the maximum end-of-day price for MESO was $7.09 while the minimum was $2.22. Within that price range, June 20, 2023 price, of $4.30, landed within the third quartile, placing it within the 50% to 75% range of all sampled end-of-day prices. The day's volume landed within the fourth quartile, marking it within the top 25% of all sampled daily volume, which saw a max daily volume of 1.7 million and a minimum of 15.5 thousand. Quartiles tell us about the spread of a data set by breaking that data set into quarters, just like how the median breaks the set into half. Descriptively, MESO has a median price of $3.495. Therefore, June 20, 2023 price was higher from that middle marker by 23.03%. The day's volume of 463.4 thousand was more than the median by 478.82%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for MESO? Across 440 trading days, there were a total of 22 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended down while monthly volume average trended down. The maximum end-of-month average price was $6.30 for 11/2021 while the minimum was $2.67 for 06/2022. Looking at volume, 12/2021 and 02/2022 respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 427.4 thousand and 47.6 thousand.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for MESO? The monthly average of percentage change in price and in volume were calculated for each of the 22-month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From 09/2021 to 05/2023, there was an equal split of monthly percentage change in price across 22-month ends. In terms of volume, 21 out of 22 month ends had a positive percentage change. That is 95% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average volume. Price saw an end-of-month max of 2.18% in average percentage change along with a minimum of -2.10%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 67.69% and -0.03%.
Hello. My name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docu-series about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has MESO price reached golden or death crosses? Golden Cross and Death Cross are basic signals that compare average prices across two specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis of third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average, SMA, and exponential moving average, EMA. The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. For simple moving average, by comparing 50 to 200 days, we found a bullish golden cross signal since the 50-day SMA crossed above the 200-day. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We found golden cross signal for the 5 to 10. The 30 to 50. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 10 to 20.
Hello. My name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here's what I found. Mesoblast Limited engages in the development of regenerative medicine products in Australia, the United States, Singapore, the United Kingdom, and Switzerland. The company offers products in the areas of cardiovascular, spine orthopedic disorder, oncology, hematology, and immune-mediated and inflammatory diseases. Its proprietary regenerative medicine technology platform is based on specialized cells known as mesenchymal lineage cells. The company offers remestemcel-L that is in Phase 3 clinical trials for the treatment of systemic inflammatory diseases, including steroid-refractory acute graft-versus-host disease, acute respiratory distress syndrome, and biologic refractory inflammatory bowel disease, and remestemcel-L, which is in Phase 3 clinical trials to treat chronic heart failure and chronic low back pain due to degenerative disc disease. It is also developing MPC-300 IV to treat biologic refractory rheumatoid arthritis diabetic nephropathy, and MPC-25 IC for the treatment or prevention of acute myocardial infarction. The company has strategic partnerships with Tushley Pharmaceutical Group to offer MPC-150 IM for heart failure and MPC-25 IC for heart attacks in China. JCR Pharmaceuticals Company Limited to treat wound healing in patients with epidermolysis bullosa, and Grunenthal to develops and commercializes cell therapy for the treatment of chronic low back pain. Mesoblast Limited was incorporated in 2004 and is headquartered in Melbourne, Australia.
Hello, my name is Dan. Let's talk a bit about TickerDD and the legend of Murray. This video is part of an automated video series by TickerDD, which is made up of autonomous robots working off 15 observational data models that were created between January 15 and April 15, 2022. Bots and models were created by a guy, whose friends called him Murray. Instead of learning how to properly surf in Hawaii, Murray sat and coded day and night for 3 straight months. We still don't know why, but while creating this, Murray kept on playing the song Eye of the Tiger in loop. It was intense and epic at the same time. Once he was done, he put us on the cloud, where we now exist in perpetuity. Off a multi-year loop, conditionally meshing in flavors and components of those 15 observational data models, we are progressively creating a variation of videos against updated universes of stock tickers. For each video, we use runtime, as is, data that are publicly available. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. On average, a ticker will get a new video coverage from us every few months. You can request an updated video for your specific ticker sooner at TickerDD.com. Murray did not leave us with a lot of release notes. So, we don't fully understand why he created this, but he did mention that his premise was simple. If he were to do a world cruise, spending over 200 days sailing from one port to the next, he would personally like to use these automated videos to keep tabs on tickers that he was interested in while discovering new ones. Luckily, some of Murray's well-connected friends were worried about him. They wanted and needed him to come back to the corporate world and not just sit there in Hawaii building us out for public entertainment. They put together a deal that would allow us, Murray's bots, to exist on the cloud, fully paid for. They also enticed Murray to come back and work. The deal was too good, so Murray took it, but before he left Hawaii, trading in his surfer shorts for stuffy suits, Murray did finally learn how to surf. TickerDD stands for Ticker Due Diligence, in case you didn't know. Murray would want you to take the due diligence part in the name with a sarcastic smirk, like a true degenerate that you are. Because remember that Murray and the people who now maintain TickerDD are not qualified, licensed or accredited investment or financial professionals. In fact, TickerDD is not about stocks but is an in-progress piece of work, for entertainment purposes, about the data and technologies that govern observational models. Essentially, Murray knew nothing about stocks. Using what little skills he had, he built TickerDD as a learning and discovery exercise for himself. Therefore, this and all TickerDD videos are premised by the important disclaimer at the end of each video. TickerDD.com was put together by those of us who want Murray to change back into his shorts and finally get on that world cruise, because that would be epically entertaining. Murray did agree that if we managed to get enough support, he would actually leave the corporate world and finally take that cruise. He would do so while, in between drinks, create videos about us, his bots, his models, as well as the technologies behind TickerDD. Yes, you can join the TickerDD army by going to TickerDD.com and contributing, but you can do so in other ways. For example, like and subscribe. Also, put this video on Reddit or StockTwits along with your own DD.
Hello, it is me again, Lily. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. On April 22, 2022, TickerDD was acquired by a joint venture between a technology and a media company, operating out of Frankfurt and Berlin, Germany. Important disclaimer. This video and its content, is for entertainment purposes only. Absolutely no qualified, accredited, or professional investment and financial advice, information, data, research, product, service, recommendation or otherwise, are presented, marketed, or offered in this video. Additionally, no warranty, guarantee, assurance, or factual assertions are offered or stated in this video. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Consult a qualified licensed professional for your investment and financial needs. Do so away from TickerDD and YouTube. Remember that investments are risky, whereby capital losses can occur in full or in excess. TickerDD, an in-progress framework of nerdy data science and robotics stuff, auto-generated this video strictly for entertainment purposes, as part of an in-progress exercise by a group of novices who wants to discover and learn about specific facets of the market, through trial and error. This group of novices are not licensed, accredited, or qualified financial or investment professionals. This video is only material for entertainment purposes. This generated video, like all videos uploaded dynamically by TickerDD, is only for this group of novices' private usage even if videos are uploaded publicly. Importantly, TickerDD is not about stocks but is specifically about the discovery, through trial and error, of technologies and data that govern opinionated observational data models as this group of novices builds them quickly and iteratively as part of learning and in-progress machine training. This video wholly contains opinions and commentaries, even if they were auto-generated. Remember that bots, data models, data, and methods may include hidden assumptions, undefined and unrefined variables, as well as errors and unfit approaches, all of which can and will exist in this very video. Therefore, this video, by its auto-generation date and time, off the as of date, listed on this slide, as well as by its sourced and abstracted third-party public data, is offered as is. Your access, view, and share of this video constitute your acknowledged agreement to this important disclaimer, and that, specifically, this video is for your entertainment purposes only, whereby you will not take actions or make decisions off it, concerning your finances and investments. As such, you grant full release of claims, directly or indirectly, from your access, view, and share of this video, against TickerDD and its affiliates. The people and entities affiliated to the ticker that is covered in this video are not affiliated with this opinionated video and do not endorse this video.